1957, the end of the Second World War, the Bristol Aeroplane Company started developing a new type of helicopter in England, and it's built a different helicopter now compared to the modern helicopters, where the rotor head is vertical behind the pilot. Not great. That's before the Second World War. The roadway is constructed completely from wood. Flying Bulls operating this aircraft. We've taken a whole collection of different aircraft from Flying Bulls you're going to see this afternoon. The Bristol Sycamore, this type of helicopter, is used by different armed forces and private companies for sea and mountain rescue, for passenger freight transport, really big helicopters. This particular aircraft was service to the German armed forces until 1969. Kilometers an hour, 212 kilometers an hour. Faster, but they're needed for the requirements of the course. This design became a huge commercial success. High-strength tail cone. Water resistance, seawater resistance, aluminum alloy. Was designed so that they hold it to one side, high towards the rear wall, and actually when the steering was on board, they were better. So far, very clear. Never up to 4 behind the helicopter. later the BO-105 to display. The flying balls, thank you for victory to the local could have done this on the nose cone. Thank you very much. Yes. Quite incredible to think this is the first type of helicopter built in the United Kingdom 60 years ago, 1957. Now still displayed here at the birthplace of British aviation here in Farnborough. We really have spread through the generations of different types of airframes, different types of aircraft, different types of flying. Way back. That's the helicopter. Going down this route. Again, when the Blenheim and the Spitfire come back in, I won't talk much over them, I will let them do the story themselves, but the Blenheim saw in action in every theatre of war. You saw when he took off the relative size, very small size in comparison to that of the Spitfire. You think it's very much larger aircraft, but indeed not at all. That helps with its range and long range.